вдвоем, с тобой вдвоем.
Давай с тобой мы отдохнем, с тобой вдвоем, с тобой вдвоем. That Russian singer Dima Bilan says давай, that means let's, and this is our today's topic. Imperatives. Поехали. The word let's has two forms. If I talk to one person, I say давай. If I apply to many people, I say давайте. Then comes the action that I suggest, the verb in future form. For example, Dima says давай отдохнем. Отдохнем is future form of the verb отдохнуть. All infinitives in Russian have the endings ut, at, от, ет. And what we do is basically we take away, we cut off that ending and we put ем или ем. What we have отдохнуть, отдохнем. Дима sings давай с тобой мы отдохнем. So we have давай, let's, с тобой мы, together with you together, to be exact. Yes, we can put these words in the middle of the phrase because in Russian language the word order is flexible. And then comes future form отдохнем. Давай с тобой мы отдохнем. С тобой вдвоем, с тобой вдвоем. Вдвоем means together with you. Only two people are having rest. Let's listen to it again.
Давай с тобой мы отдохнем, с тобой вдвоем, с тобой вдвоем. Мы этот мир перевернем, с тобой вдвоем.
How was it this time? You are so great. You've learned the word давай and you've learned future form of the verbs in just 2 minutes. Now it will be very easy for you to put the verb перевернуть, to turn over or to turn upside down in its future form. What do we have to do? Do you remember? We cut off ut and we put ем. We get перевернем. Now Dima suggests turning upside down this world. Давно пора. It's high time. Мы этот мир перевернем, he says. Мы, we, этот мир, this world, перевернем, will turn upside down. С тобой вдвоем, с тобой вдвоем. Listening again.
Мы этот мир перевернем, с тобой вдвоем.
You are awesome learners. To summarize, we have отдохнуть, отдохнем, перевернуть, перевернем. Some other examples. Уснуть, to fall asleep, уснем. Sometimes we have the prefix in the future form, like in the verb to sing, петь. Петь, what we do, we cut off ет, we put ем. But it is impossible to put ем to only one letter p. So we have споем, споем. What prefix means? Most of the time, prefix means that the action is completed. Yes, like we aren't going to sing forever. We are going to sing only one song. The same thing happens with the verb to dance, танцевать. We take away that at, we put ем, and we have танцуем, but in future form it will be потанцуем, потанцуем. Let's dance a little, not for a long time. How to say let's dance? Давай потанцуем. If I'm talking to many people, I come up and see that the party is so boring, I can say давайте потанцуем, давайте потанцуем. I have a lesson about prefixes, so if you watch that lesson, it will be very understandable for you. The most common phrase "let's go" has two variants in Russian. Давай пойдем и давай поедем. We use пойдем when we are going to walk, and we use поедем if we are going to use any transport, bike, car, taxi, it can be pretty any vehicle. Examples. Давай пойдем в кино. Давай пойдем в театр. Давай пойдем в ресторан. Давай поедем в Лондон. Давай поедем в Нью-Йорк. Нет, давай пойдем в парк. Давай. We can answer and we can say that I agree. Just saying one word. Давай. Now your task is to listen to Dima again and to identify only one word. The verb tell in future form will tell. The infinitive is рассказать. Рассказать. How to make it future? Рассказем? No, because we have interchange of z and j, and it will be расскажем. So listen carefully. Don't care about other words and try to distinguish only one word. Расскажем.
Скажи, зачем нужны нам эти люди? Мы никому об этом не расскажем. Давай с тобой мы отдохнем, с тобой вдвоем.
My congrats, I know it was a bit tricky because he said не расскажем, a negative form. So we've got the idea of давай, but what about other simple imperatives? Quite often we just say, please give me something, say something. Let's learn. Давай научимся. To say is сказать. We cut off again that ending at, and this time we put only one letter, I. And we get скажи. Yes, we know that we interchange the and j mostly all the time. We already know that. We have скажи. Dima sings, скажи, зачем нужны нам эти люди? Tell me why we need these people. Мы никому об этом не расскажем. This is that future form. Мы никому об этом не расскажем. Мы, we, никому, nobody, об этом, about this. These are objects and when we can put them here, just in the middle of the sentence, because in Russian word order is flexible. Again, мы никому об этом не расскажем. Won't tell. We can say мы никому об этом не расскажем. Мы не расскажем об этом никому. Мы не расскажем никому об этом. All three sentences are absolutely the same. They mean the same thing. Now read with me. Practice these sentences with me. Скажи, зачем нужны нам эти люди? Мы никому об этом не расскажем. Dima, could you please sing that again for us?
Скажи, зачем нужны нам эти люди? Мы никому об этом не расскажем. Давай с тобой мы отдохнем, с тобой вдвоем. Держи, держи руку мою, держи. Что хочешь, скажи, получишь, держи.
Oh my god, again he said so many new words and they are imperatives as well. Держи, держи, руку мою держи. Держи is imperative form of verb держать, to hold. What we do is at goes away and we have и. Держи, hold. Держи, держи, руку мою держи. Руку is hand, мою is my. Yes, we can even use it like that. Hand, my. Держи, держи, руку мою держи. Что хочешь, скажи. Tell me what you want, or to be exact, what you want, tell me. Получишь, держи. You will get it, hold.
Держи, держи, руку мою держи. Что хочешь, скажи, получишь, держи.
We've learned let's, давай or давайте. We've learned future forms, we put ем or ем. We've learned imperatives, we put и. And we practiced our listening. Now your task is to listen to the song up to the end and to identify one more phrase with let's. There will be only one more phrase with let's. Also, enjoy the video that was made in beautiful Lisbon. Пока. Oh, I forgot, not пока. Contact me if you want to have Skype lessons with me, and let me know if you like such type of videos with Russian music, because it is the only way I can understand that you like my videos. Вот теперь пока.